Positive, aren't you?
Wow.
Too bad it's history.
I'm segueing into my Saturday event, which was, we had a great one with the, it was called Giving with Glamour, and it was part of the Junior Forum's, way to raise money, and I just thank them all for having me come out. John took some great pictures, so thank him again for that as well. Had a great time, raised lots of money. Thank you to all the nice ladies for having me out. Saturday was a little brisk, but not as cold as it's going to get around here. Let me show you what's going on. Cold air on the way. 16 in Amarillo, there's the boundary. Sitting right smack to our north. Should have come through already, just kind of dragging its heels a tiny bit. Most of the rain really is from Bexar County out over the eastern zones. Here's the city, kind of a close-up, and you can see it's been moving, kind of drifting north or south to north at about 15 miles an hour. So the roads are wet. The fog is still in place. The fog advisory is down for the coast because this front, when it gets here, will blast the fog out of the way. So we've got some 40s up in the hill country, 50s here in south central Texas, and a future tracker shows this thing just blasting through. By the noon hour, it'll be down along the coast. That's how fast this thing is moving, and by tomorrow morning, it will be nice and cold, and there's a chance, once again, with this rain falling, to have some freezing precipitation. 50 degrees for the high out over the western zones. Only 45 degrees, rainy and cold across the hill country. Eastern zones about 55 degrees, and we're still looking for that rain to continue. And then low 50s for us is very typical, really winter kind of day. Cold air on the ground being overrun by moisture. And as it falls, you're going to stay pretty much within this temperature range, within a degree or two with north winds gusting to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, then, the city only gets down to 38. The hill country could freeze, and so that's where we're concerned again for maybe a chance of some freezing rain out there. But we bounce back up only into the 30s tomorrow here in the city, back down to freezing, so we'll see if that becomes a problem between Tuesday and Wednesday. Then sunshine continues. Look at that, Valentine's Day, sunshine and